Good morning, good morning. Welcome to another Morning Vibes with Triple D TV. As you can see, we're in a winter wonderland. This is my part, my neck of the woods. We're all in a winter wonderland. Snow upon snow. Snow upon snow. I can't believe we got snow this morning again. It's all crazy. But heading out to work, gotta do what I gotta do to make that paper. This is what's going on here. Take my time heading to work. So guys, if you're out there today and you have to travel, be safe out there. Take your time. No rush. No rush, no rush, no rush. Just take your time. This is my neck of the woods. Winter Wonderland. Winter Wonderland. Welcome to Triple D TV. Triple D Winter Wonderland. Another morning vibes. Another morning vibes, man. Remember to stay focused, stay positive. Everything you do, you stay positive. No giving up. Remember if life throw you a curveball and throw you to the ground, just make sure you get up, dust yourself off, and continue on. Don't give up. Always stay positive. Focus on your dreams and your goals. You must always have a short-term goal and a long-term goals. Your short-term goals will take you to your long-term goals. And stay away from negative people. Always surround yourself with positive people who's going to encourage you, uplift you. Stay around people who's always happy. Always try to be with people who's always happy. Always have a bright sunshine on their face. Happy people. Make happy life. No negative people. This road look good. Clean up nicely. The town did a great job. Town of Brookhaven did a great job on these roads. Very nice. So I'm just giving you a little view of my winter wonderland in my neck of the woods. All my family and friends in the United States, Jamaica, especially my friends in Jamaica. See, snow, rain, we have to head out to work. We have to head out to work. There's no excuse not to go to work. So my friends in Jamaica, if someone in foreign give you $1, you must appreciate it. This is what we have to go through. So if it's $1, a man give to you. If it's $1, a man give to you. You have to really appreciate it. This is what we have to go through to make that paper. So you all, I want you to have a safe and prosperous and productive day. And no matter what you do today, man, keep smiling, keep shining, shining. Keep shining, keep shining. Take care of yourself. Have a great and blessed day. Stay focused on your goal. Stay focused on your prize. And remember, you have to, your altitude will determine your altitude. Your attitude will determine your altitude. So stay blessed and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to Triple D TV. I'm out.